Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're still buzzing, so first of all, let's kick off by saluting Team Jamaica at the World Games. We placed 4th overall, and we are extremely proud of our athletes for that feat. Big up on yourself, Team Jamaica.
And I hear that it's our second best performance.
Awesome.
So,
yeah, we're going with a bag of things. I was able to tune into a couple of the races, and it was.
And the ladies have been holding the fort for a couple of years. But the man,
them step up, man.
Them say we're there too now, you know? I'm like, everybody are going good like it.
Yeah, man, we're going with some things. Okay, so when we get to it, okay, so that's what locals have been doing internationally. So now we're going to come a little bit more in home.
We are come local, we are come home.
Yeah, so male Rastafarian students now will no longer be required to wear Tams to cover their dreadlocks while in school. Now, Williams made the remarks while speaking at the JTA's 59th annual conference's official opening and investiture ceremony at the Royalton Negril Resorts and Spa. She said, there have been a few times that I've gone to schools and I see boys wearing Tams to school to cover their locks. Now, this is 2023, really? We really should not be doing that anymore. We need to respect other people's religion, end quote. Yeah, I actually heard that.
That's why Craig has his locks out today.
Yeah. Salute the youths, them, you know?
Because this directive, the minister said, is a part of a new draft of the dress and grooming policy, which is set to be published ahead of the 2023-2024 academic year. Now, this policy's objective is to reduce discriminatory practices in schools that are based on students' hairstyles and grooming practices, while addressing the need for discipline at the school level and the development of wider-reaching societal values. Minister Williams added that the students shouldn't have to cover their hair unless that's what their religion calls for.
Yeah, man. I actually heard those.
I'm surprised that's 2023, though.
Yeah, man. It's heartwarming, yeah. And especially like you really feel the gravity of the thing when you think that it's only a few short years ago that people were persecuted because of them. Yeah, I mean, we all know what going on. It's one of them parts of our history where we don't really want to pay attention to. But from seeing what did happen at Gold Street to come here now to be seeing this is amazing. Is an amazing step, and it's a step in the right direction. The youths them no really have a shame and them think them can step with them head held high. And we appreciate that,
And you know what I feel? I feel like what's happening globally, I feel like there's a look internally. I feel like all of us as a nation, particularly as a people, we're looking at ourselves and celebrating the things that make us intrinsically ourselves. There was a time that we wanted to kind of disassociate from the things that make us uniquely Jamaican or uniquely black. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But no, I feel that because of what's happening in Africa, what's happening in the diaspora, I feel that we're all now standing up with pride of the things that make us uniquely and intrinsically Jamaican and uniquely and intrinsically black.
But it's not just that. What it is
now it's like a deep with them thing, It's like
no, it's a little bit more bravery on the part of the powers that be as well, because is even though you're incorrect, it's a hard knock to be told by people half your age that what you really think is wrong. Because from ever since Rasta used to walk proud. You understand? But it is difficult because people never look at them as something to be proud of.
Always look down upon, for sure.
Yeah.
True.
So it's a thing now for people to realize that, boy, for really take a look at it and say, boy,
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I like where we're going globally as black people. I like it. Speaking of me like it. Listen, Chris Brown and friends didn't disappoint fans who came out to the National Stadium on Sunday. The energy and the vibes was full, as was the venue. Chris Brown did a 2-hour set and performed all his hits from top to bottom, which female fans screamed and sung along to. Now, also on the lineup for the well-anticipated concert was dancehall heavy hitters Ding Dong, Idonia, Tommy Lee, and TJ, along with with Grams Morgan, Byron Messiah, Diani, Moyan, and Kemar Haikon.
Yeah, so Ding Dong was the highlight for many fans as he came out with the ravers in full white on a handcart. Big up yourself, Ding Dong. He paid dues to dancehall stars who focus on dancing, such as Elephant Man, and highlighted a lot of other dancers. Meanwhile, the crowd was also kept thoroughly entertained throughout the juggling of several DJs, including Richie Platinum. This show proved that international acts can add Jamaica as a part of their world tour and also to use our stadium as a venue for productions of this size.
Yeah. I have so much to say on this topic and such little time. First of all, I am not a big fan of Chris Brown. However, when I say the man come and perform, the man come and perform. From beginning, middle, and end. He sung all his songs like he never just give us the chorus or a little bit and then take it back. He sung the whole thing from top to bottom. As you can see, it was visually stunning. Never just stand up there and sing or take off his shirt and think that is sufficient. It is not. Artistic direction on point, visual stimulation on point, choreography on point, vocals on point. The mics were working, the lights were working. Listen.
Awesome.
Listen. You know how I feel about a production.
Right.
Remember, come to stand there for 6 hours and all you have to do is shout in the microphone without your shirt. That is not it. That is not it, people. And then you go, yeah. I never come to sing at a concert, but come to hear you anyway.
Talk. If you set a certain way, and take off your shirt, you go mad in the audience. Same way.
I'm not appreciate the shirt. I'm not appreciate it, because shirt fit. All right, I'm not appreciate it, but just say.
On that note,
this time I'll be right back and we'll be chatting a little more. You don't want to miss it.